Despite the rain, colorful characters outside, window shopping, and occasional distractions, passers-by accepted the invitation of the Chicago Council on Science and Technology to stop on Michigan Avenue and ask questions of physicist Leon Lederman, a Nobel Prize in Physics laureate for his work on neutrinos, particles similar to electrons but which carry no charge. A number of the day's questions regarded a recent European finding that neutrinos might travel faster than the speed of light. Lederman is skeptical of the finding and weighed in with others. Neutrinos are important because they can be used to observe environments that are normally inaccessible, such as the core of the Earth's sun.
I'm Bill McDowell. I came here because I get all the mailings from the Chicago Council on Science, and this looked like a great opportunity to talk to Leon Lederman, who I've admired for years.
Earlier this month, scientists at the European Organization for Nuclear Research reported a finding that would challenge Einstein's theory of relativity.
I asked him about the new finding at CERN, or the supposed finding that they found some neutrinos going faster than light. And he said, don't believe everything you read in the newspaper.
My name is Ron Lalonde. I'm a medical physicist. I'm just here on vacation. I'm here for a few days in Chicago, just having a good time. And I happened to stumble by the Nobel Prize winner, Leon Lederman, and wanted to ask him a question. So there he is. I asked him what he thought about the recent announcement that neutrinos travel faster than the speed of light. And he thinks it's all bull. So that was interesting to hear, and we'll just see what happens with that in the weeks and months ahead.
My name is Jeff Scurry, and I am just a dad that likes science, and a friend of mine is actually a Northwestern grad who is a physicist, and he was at Fermilab. I believe now he's at the University of Nebraska. And he put this on his Facebook page, and I've always liked physics, and I know my daughter needs to get more of a science education, so we thought we'd come over. I think I'm going to ask what I should do as a non-science father to help foster a better science education in her. And we're also going to ask if he knows who Phineas and Ferb are.
Hi, my name's Karen Sloot. I'm from Chicago. I'm going to ask how I can stop getting these red light tickets. And the city of Chicago sends them to my house in a nice package, and there must be some scientific way that I can stop getting them. I don't even understand how I get them, to be honest.
Simone from Andersonville sought the wisdom of a Nobel laureate. What should she do for her 7th grade science fair project? Lederman won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1988 and knows how to talk science. But some folks, he says, simply want to know whether the Cubs will win the World Series.
It's very hard to know what is the strangest question. You get a lot of questions. Sometimes many questions are difficult because they're not coherent. You have to know a lot before you can ask good questions.
We have done this once before, and really it's just a way to reach people who want to know more about science and who just don't know how to find it. So we're going to them. We're finding them on the street, and we're going to the public, which is why we are on Michigan Avenue, downtown Chicago.
It's important that people understand that science is within their reach, that it's not about old white guys in lab coats, that that's the image of science.
And in case you were wondering what Lederman puts on a Chicago-style hot dog,
mustard, and I would put on it sauerkraut.